I need more storage, but I can't do this alone. I'll call Helping Hands. They have flat rate pricing and 5 stars, so I can trust them.
The Helping Hands crew has assembled hundreds of sheds across the Phoenix Valley, and every project gets the same attention to detail. Whether you're in Buckeye, Goodyear, Maricopa, Scottsdale, or anywhere in between, we arrive with the right tools, the right team, and we get your shed assembled the same day. From small storage sheds to large workshop models, we've built them all. Every brand, every size. No unfinished projects sitting in your yard. No confusing instructions. No wasted weekends. Just a sturdy, professionally assembled shed that's ready to use. If your shed is still sitting in the box, or you're planning to add extra storage to your property, we're ready to help.
I'm so glad I let Helping Hands lend me a hand. CJ was so friendly, and I see why they're the Valley's top choice for assembly. If you need storage fast, give them a call.